Good day, Attorney Sylvia. This is my second video about the case number 2, Jaime versus Alampay, General Registry Number L39592, January 28, 1975. Facts. On November 29, 1972, petitioners Antonio Jaime and Ana Solidarios filed a complaint in the Court of First Instance of Negros Occidental against private respondent Benito Ong for the reformation of an instrument. The petitioners sought to reform a deed of absolute sale executed on December 24, 1964, which they claim did not reflect their true agreement with Ong. They allege that the actual agreement was a mortgage of a parcel of land in Bacolod City to secure a loan of 16,500 pesos, rather than outright sale. The petitioners contended that they were coerced into executing the deed of sale due to their trust in Ong, who was a family friend, and their urgent need for money. In their complaint, the petitioners asserted that they continued to occupy part of the property without paying a rent to Ong, and were collecting rents from other occupants. They claimed that the amount of 16,500 was grossly inadequate for a sale and expressed their willingness to repay the loan with interest. They also alleged that Ong unjustly refused to execute the proper mortgage document and accept the payment. Ong filed an answer with counterclaim raising the defense of prescription, arguing that the proper remedy for the petitioners was annulment of the sale due to the vitiated consent, which had already prescribed within 4 years. The respondent court directed Ong to raise the issue of prescription in a motion to dismiss. After a hearing, the court granted the motion to dismiss on June 10, 1974, citing two grounds. First one is the action was one for annulment which had prescribed, and the two, the existence of a mortgage in favor of a third party constituted an impediment to the petitioner's action for reformation. Issues: whether the petitioner's action for reformation of the instrument has prescribed or if it was still valid. Whether the existence of a mortgage in favor of a third party constructed a legal impediment to the petitioner's action for reformation and recovery of title. Ruling: the Supreme Court reversed the dismissal order of the lower court and remanded the case for trial and adjudication on the merits. The court held that the respondent court erred in concluding that the petitioner's action has prescribed based on its unsupported prejudgment that the ultimate agreement was for a definite sale. The court emphasized that in motion to dismiss, the allegations in the complaint must be hypothetically admitted, and the petitioners had sufficiently alleged that the deed of sale did not express the true agreement of the parties. The court clarified that the applicable prescriptive period for actions for reformation of instruments is 10 years, as provided in Article 114 of the Civil Code.